Welcome to my physical therapy clinic. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and today I want to talk to you about CryoForce's CF2. First, thank you to CryoForce for sending me out free samples of all three devices. This is the CF1, this is the CF3, but right now we're going to look at the CF2. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how it generally works, and then in a separate video I'm going to record showing you how to use this device. Now, this is a continuous cold therapy machine, but before I show you the details, let me give you a little bit of the backstory. These weren't designed by an engineer who works for a medical device company. These were designed by an individual who had 2 ACL reconstruction surgeries. He was frustrated with what was available on the market. He wanted something that was quiet. The original machines were loud and noisy. He wanted something that was easy to set up. The original machines were complicated. And he wanted something that was lightweight, maneuverable. This whole system weighs less than 4 pounds. It's all self-contained. When you're not using it, it can go in the cupboard for the next time your knee flares up. So let's take a look what's inside. I love the little carrying case design. It's kind of like a lunchbox. There's a pump inside the carrying case. You of course get the knee applicator that comes with a dual hose system. This clicks into place right on top. There's an audible clicking sound when you know the pump is secure. There's a single push button release if you have to take it apart. So when we're talking about setup, we basically have 2 steps. We plug in the hose system, then we take the wall adapter. This plugs into any standard outlet in your house. This will plug into the other side, and now we're ready to go. Inside the cooler, there is a line that shows you how much water to put in. Then there's a second line that shows you where it should fill to with the ice. And in a separate video, we'll talk about how to apply ice. You can use ice cubes or you can use frozen water bottles. The frozen water bottles tend to work a little bit better. They're easy to change, and you can reuse them because once they've thawed, you can put them back in the freezer, let them freeze again, and most people will have 2 sets of frozen water bottles going all the time. Now, let's talk about the knee applicator for a minute. One of the design features that I love about CryoForce is the Velcro they've chosen to use for the knee applicator. This Velcro is a smooth Velcro. It doesn't scratch the skin. It's comfortable. I can rub it against my cheek and it doesn't bother me, but it sticks to wherever you want to stick it on the outside of the knee applicator. The outside of the knee applicator has this felt surface. And then the inside, where the cold water actually flows, this is a plastic surface. This is the part that would actually go over the knee itself. And then in regards to the hand controller, it's a super simple system. There's 3 settings for the flow rate. The flow rate is how much water is going to pump through the system. The more cold water you have pumping, the colder the temperature is going to be. But you've got high, medium, and low. Then of course there's 3 settings. You have a continuous setting, a loop setting, and you have the timer setting. I prefer the timer setting because it wouldn't be the first time I apply a cold therapy device to an extremity and I fall asleep. So this is set for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, auto shut off. And then of course you have the standard start, stop, on, off buttons on the handheld applicator. But like I said, this was a product that was designed by somebody who actually used it. Somebody who actually had ACL reconstruction, who wanted something that was better than what's on the market. And for my patients, probably the most beneficial aspect of this is the fact that when you're done using it, whether it be after surgery or whether it just be after a long day. You know, I'm a 50-year-old active adult. I have osteoarthritis in both my knees. When I'm on my feet all day, or I'm working out, or I'm jogging a little more than usual, I tend to get more inflammation. I want to have something like this that's super lightweight, always accessible, stored under the cupboard, that I can pull out, apply, rest, elevate, 20 minutes of cryotherapy, and I feel like a new man. That's what I love about the CryoForce. This is the CF2. I love this. In a previous video, I showed you the CF1. And in future videos, we're going to take a look at the CF3 because now this is the Cadillac of cryotherapy, of continuous cold therapy. Guys, if you have questions, let me know. You can find this product on Amazon or go straight to CryoForce. Their website has all the information you need.